When you hear snake plant, you are probably thinking, which one are you talking about? The name snake plant is commonly used to describe more than one sansevieria. And just to confuse us more, there are about 70 species of different snake plants. I would definitely like to make a video to show all of them. Benefit number 1. Filters air day and night. Sansevierias are one of the most hard-working plants. They love cleaning air at night. Almost a bit like they have OCD. I don't know if you can relate to that. Snake plants are one of the few plants that can convert carbon dioxide to oxygen at night, making them the ideal decor plant, well, healthy decor plants to place in your home, especially in your bedroom, to improve airflow for you and your loved ones, even while you're sleeping. Benefit number 2. Removes toxic particles in the air. In addition to cleaning the air, the snake plant can absorb toxic particles from the air around it, removing even cancer-causing pollutants that include benzene, CO2, toluene, and a few others I can't even try to pronounce, but I will leave a list in the description. And when you think it can't get even better, the snake plant acts as an effective defense against airborne allergies, as it absorbs harmful toxins as well. Benefit number 3. Boosts mental health. Although there are no scientific proof yet about plants improving mental health, it is a common practice for therapists to recommend houseplants for mental health treatment due to its therapeutic effect. According to research done in 2018, houseplants play a positive role in our daily lives. I will leave a link to that article in the description below. Snake plants are a low-cost and low-maintenance way to improve environments such as schools, workplaces, medical facilities, and of course, households. Benefit number 4. Benefit 3 kind of led me to benefit number 4, which is low maintenance. Snake plants don't require a lot of work, although it'll take a lot of work to kill them. But don't get me wrong, they can die. All plants can die. But you really must forget that you even have plants to kill them. Snake plants can tolerate both full sun and partial sun, underwatering, draft and dry air. They also don't require frequent repotting and hardly get infested. Benefit number 5. Allergy buster. I did mention this above, but I do feel that we can elaborate on this a bit more. Snake plants release oxygen and adds moisture to the air, and this helps with the impact of airborne allergies such as dust. We all can confess sometimes we are all a bit too long inside, and our indoor air plays a major role in our health. And it's not just allergens, but in some cases asthma as well, making the snake plant, in my point of view, a must-have for each household. Benefit number 6. Absorbs negative energy. I admire the Chinese for always being calm, in tune with themselves, and always knowing how to handle situations the right way. I believe this is because they believe that snake plants absorb negative energy and eliminate bitterness and jealousy. They suggest you place a snake plant in a room where people tend to argue, or near appliances that are giving off radiation. The snake plant absorbs all the negative elements. Although there are no scientific evidence I could find, I don't see why we can't give it a try. Benefit number 7. Physical health benefits. We all love to know that nature can help a bit when we are feeling unwell or if we need treatment. I am going to name just a few things the snake plant is known to help us with. They can reduce inflammation, supports standard blood pressure, healing the skin of wounds and burns by applying the leaf sap directly onto it, helps flush out parasites, helps strengthen the immune system, and with aromatherapy they can even relieve headaches. Just be careful of the leaf's sap. It contains saponins and it can have some negative effects when consumed in large quantities. Just a fun fact, the saponins found in the leaf are commonly used in laxative. So if you want to play a natural prank on somebody.